So, what if you could create viral monetized AI shorts using only free tools? Well, today we're going to break down a proven formula that's already generated millions of views and subscribers. Let's jump right in. And you know what? Let's start with the results, because they are absolutely staggering. One creator using this exact method gained nearly 3 million subscribers with just 99 of these AI-generated shorts. I mean, that is just explosive growth. In fact, the channel that came up with this strategy was fully monetized after uploading only 11 videos. Think about that. This isn't some long-term grind. This is a strategy built for speed and, frankly, incredible results. So what is the secret sauce behind all this viral success? Well, it's not about complex SEO or stuffing keywords into your descriptions. No, it's a really powerful psychological formula that's designed to hook viewers and maximize every single second of watch time. The entire strategy is built on this simple 3-act emotional journey. You're taking the viewer from a low point through a struggle to a high point, creating a complete emotional arc in under a minute. Just think about the last short you watched all the way through. I bet it followed this exact formula because it's just so satisfying for our brains. And this right here, this gets to the absolute heart of the algorithm. This story structure isn't just for emotional impact. It's literally engineered to keep people watching. And high watch time tells the algorithm, hey, this content is compelling, and it just pushes it out to more and more people. Okay, and here's the best part. You don't need any expensive software to do this. The entire creation process relies on a stack of powerful and, yes, completely free AI tools.
Here's your whole toolkit. It's a really simple 4-step stack. You're going to use ChatGPT to create your core character, then Google AI Studio to build out your scenes, a cool tool called Gawk AI to animate them, and finally, CapCut to bring it all together.
All right, now for the fun part. Let's actually make one of these. We'll start with the most critical element, which is creating a consistent character that appears in every single scene. This is the #1 challenge everybody faces. How in the world do you maintain character consistency across a bunch of different AI-generated images? Well, the solution is surprisingly simple, and it all starts with just one reference image. You're going to start by taking a screenshot of a character you like and just feed it to ChatGPT. Ask it to create a clean, high-quality image of just that character. This single image, this becomes your foundation. It's the visual anchor for everything that follows. Okay, next up is Google AI Studio. You'll upload that reference image you just made, and then you just describe the scene you want to create using your character as the subject. The AI, well, it pretty much does the rest. And wow, the results are really impressive. The AI can generate these incredibly detailed, high-quality images that bring your story prompts to life with honestly stunning accuracy. Okay, so you have your series of awesome but static scene images. Now you've got to bring them to life. For that, we turn to a free tool called Gokay.io. We really recommend it because the interface is super simple and its free tier is generous enough to get you started making videos right away. Now, a crucial pro tip for this tool: you got to manage your resources. You get a limited number of free credits each day, so go into the settings and turn off that automatic generation feature. And always use the upscale feature to make sure your final video clips are in crisp, high definition. All right, you've got your animated clips. Now it's time to assemble them in an editor to maximize their impact. This is where you transform a collection of clips into a really compelling story. The editing process in CapCut is pretty straightforward, but it's so critical. The key here is pace. Keep your clips short, like 3 to 4 seconds max. Use smooth black fade transitions to keep the flow, and add powerful sound effects to really amplify the emotion of each scene. And listen up, here is a pro tip that will save you from some major headaches down the road. Don't add your background music in the editor. Instead, wait until you're uploading to YouTube and add it directly from their free audio library. This completely eliminates the risk of copyright strikes. Trust me on this one. So before you hit that upload button, just run through this final checklist. Have you hit all the key emotional beats? Is your character consistent? Is the pacing fast and engaging? If you can check all these boxes, you are ready to go. So there you have it. You now have the complete blueprint, the psychology, the tools, and the step-by-step workflow to create viral AI shorts, and you can do it all for free. The only thing left to answer is the question on your screen right now. What story will your first AI short tell?